Good morning, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to give you a little walk around test drive this very sharp 1967 MG GT. This is a very cool car. What you need to know about it is there's no rust. The body's super straight, has nice wire wheels, front disc brakes, rebuilt motor, rebuilt transmission. The car is very straight, chrome is good. It's a good driver quality car is what I would call this. Upholstery, seat covers are new. Dash looks good. Rear seat. We'll go for a drive. It runs out well. There's written records on the engine rebuild. And back here is, you can see it's nice and dry. There's the other front license plate. You can see it's nice and solid. There's no rust at all on this car. We'll pop the hood. See here, there's no rust. So, engine compartment's nice and crisp. New wires. Big radiator. Oil cooler right here. Nice and clean. So we're going to go for a little test drive. So it has electric fuel pump. I don't know if you can hear it. Starts right up like all English cars. It runs better when it's warmed up. Gearbox is nice and tight. The gearbox is really good. Second gear synchros are good. We'll go for a quick spin here in a minute. Tachometer works, fuel gauge works, oil pressure gauge works. Shifts well. Steering is really good, no shimmy. Drives out nice. Nice and smooth. My buddy who owns this car drove it here on the 405 freeway from Long Beach. So it's freeway friendly. It drives out really well, way better than expected. It tracks nice and straight. We're doing 45. I think we're doing more like 55 or 50. We'll do a U-turn down here. See, the headliner is good. Glass is good. Windows work. So we're going to do a U-turn right here. Stops nice and straight. So we're just going to sit here and wait for traffic to go by. Out nice. Kind of hard to drive, shift, steer, and video, but it drives out really quite nice. Runs nice and cool. It's not even 160. Good oil pressure. I downshifted. So it stops nice and straight. We'll put it in reverse if I can figure out where it is. There it is. So there we have it, 1967 MGB GT. Runs good, drives good, nice car, nice interior, no rust. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.